Hi there and welcome to another video. Why am I saying that? In this video I'm going to show you how I did this look, which I feel like it's perfect for a summer night out, for a kind of like a summer party. It's mid-July at the moment and I have the Lana Del Rey lyric in my head all of the time. You know, hot summer nights, mid-July. And this look is kind of inspired by that, I think. I try to do kind of like a sexy, sultry look, but at the same time keeping the fun summer vibe. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna be starting with my eye makeup. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my face on camera. It depends on how I will feel a little bit later. I'm gonna start by priming my lids. I'm using the Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer from Too Faced. And I will just use a tiny blob of this and spread it evenly on both of my lids. I will use some base colors from my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Please let's not discuss the state of my palette. This black is broken and it keeps messing everything. I'm gonna go for this cool tone transition first. I'm applying it with the Morphe M506 brush. I'm applying it both on the inner and outer part of my lid. I'm kind of extending it towards my temples, just to have a little bit of a transition. Then for my liner, I'm gonna go for an eyeshadow shield. This little guy that has some really strong glue on it, so I'm gonna stick it to my hand first a couple of times, and I'm gonna use it as guidance for my eyeliner. So I'm gonna stick it in the angle that I want my liner to go. I follow my waterline and kind of stick it towards the end of my brow. The challenge here is to make both eyes symmetrical. I have a new black eye pencil that I haven't used. I'm going to try it out today. It's from Catrice and it's the khol kajal waterproof eyeliner pencil, whatever. It's waterproof. It's the black one. It looks something like this. I also have an angle brush in front of me to smudge it a little bit. I'm gonna focus it on the outer part of my eye. I'm not being very careful with it. Since I have my eyeshadow shield, it's going to clean up a little bit of my mess. And I also will use the angle brush to kind of fade it a little bit. So I'm doing little flicks of my brush to create a bit of a softer effect for my liner. And I'm gonna bring the leftover product from my brush into the kind of like on my entire lash line. I'm also gonna want to set this with eyeshadow, so I'm gonna pick up my Broken Black from the Warrior palette, and I'm using the same brush actually and just stamping it above the pencil. I'm creating a basic eyeliner look that I'm going to spice it up a little bit later with a shimmer. Of course you can wear it like this, it's a very flattering basic look. Let's remove this to see how it looks. I'm just gonna wipe off this part a little bit. I don't know why, still have a little bit of shadow there. Otherwise, pretty clean and simple, I would say. There is this shimmer that I used to love and I haven't used it in a while. It's from the Magic Mini palette, again from Juvia's Place. It's this one, this light blue shade. It's kind of a duochrome between purple and blue. It has different shifts. I'll be using a Makeup Addiction Precision Shader brush. And I'm gonna focus it on the center of my lid, kind of blending it towards the sides and also into my up towards my crease. And I did my liner first because I kind of wanted it to cover a bit of the liner. The shimmer on the black kind of looks a little bit different. And I'm gonna top it with a little bit more glitter. I have my Diamond Bomb highlighter from Fenty. It's the classic one in the shade So Many Carats. I'm just gonna use my finger and stamp a bit of that in the center of my lid. I did my face off camera after all. Today I even used foundation, which I don't necessarily use in summer, not all the time. I am gonna pick up the transition shade again, and I'm gonna run that all over my lower lash line. And I'm gonna apply the black pencil on my waterline. This really doesn't seem that waterproof to me. I hope it will last on my waterline. It feels like very creamy. I don't know, the texture kind of tells me that it can smudge very easily. I'm also gonna line underneath my lashes. I'm just gonna take my angled brush and kind of, again, smudge it a bit. Bringing it all the way to my inner corner. I'm gonna go for some shimmers again. I'm gonna go for the same one. I was thinking what to use to highlight my inner corner, but I'm just gonna use the same shade. So I'm placing it here and then kind of run it all over my lower lash line. I love that it kind of combines with the black pencil. It kind of turns a little bit darker. It's not even 9 a.m. and it's so hot in here already. I think I need to wake up at sunrise or something to film in the mornings because it's getting way too hot. I'm curling my lashes before finishing off with mascara. And I will be using the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I started using a lash serum again. It's again the Ila lash serum that I've used last year, and it really made a difference in my lashes. Right now I cannot tell if I see results already. I think I start seeing them because my lashes look a little bit darker. It's kind of like every evening it looks like I still have makeup on because my lashes are darker, so I rub my the base of my lashes to remove everything, but nothing comes out. So it's just that the base of my lashes looks a little bit darker. I've applied this both on my top and bottom lashes. For my lips, I want to keep things natural. I'm going to line them with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. This is almost the color of my lips. It's really close to my natural lip color. It's just gonna help me add a little bit more definition. There might be like 40 degrees in here. And I'm gonna finish off with the Lifter gloss from Maybelline. It's in the shade Pearl. I cannot wait to get out of this balcony because I am melting. And this is everything for my summer nights makeup look. I believe it is fun and sexy. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go to a slightly cooler room and hopefully manage to not melt by the end of the day. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!